Hello guys, S2W here with your next casual consumer's perspective review. Are you sick and tired of being sick and tired? Are you sick and tired of not getting in-depth reviews? If yes, then you've come to the right place. I make chill, close-up reviews of the latest sneakers, so make sure you hit that subscribe button for more if you enjoy these type of content. Heading into the holidays of 2019, the Jordan brand has started to release a collection of Jordan 1s under the campaign called the Fearless Ones, represented by a group of fearless ones who are talented individuals ranging from musicians to athletes to cultural figures. This is a capsule that celebrates all the new creative interpretations that the Jordan 1 and their new designers could bring, while also honoring the 10th anniversary of Michael Jordan's inauguration to the Hall of Fame in 2009. Today, we have the Air Jordan 1 High Fearless by the Lay twins here for a review. Interestingly, it doesn't seem like the creator, the Lay twins, was advertised a lot on this release, but they were the creators for this collaborative pair. For those who don't know or recognize who they are, the Lay twins are two multi-talented French twin dancers and choreographers by the name of Laurent and Larry Nicolas Bourgeois, who both dance on the biggest stages worldwide. But before we start this review, notice the presentation of this new shoebox. The box itself is an inverse colorway of the regular Jordan 1 boxes with a special wrapping paper with MJ's iconic quote during his speech that reads, "Limits, like fear, are often just an illusion."
Because limits, like fears, are often just an illusion.
And also a card that usually signifies a special sneaker edition, and namely this Fearless 1 collab. Let's take a closer look at the sneaker. Again, like every Jordan 1, the base design remains the same as a high cut fit for the silhouette made out of a leather construction. However, for this pair, the leather they chose to use is the same glossy patent leather seen popularly on the gold toe ones. The reflective sheen and sturdier feel of the upper is immediately felt in hand, which is great to look at brand new out of the box. However, as it creases, it will be a different kind of grief knowing the crinkles will show up at places you wouldn't even know it can, but that's the nature of patent uppers sadly. Regardless, the forefront of the shoe still provides the same perforated toe box that keeps our feet cool, while the iconic Nike swooshes on each side and also the lateral collar wings logo are all made out of patent leather in black or black and gold. The wings logo is also displayed through a transparent window, almost like a laminated surface. But what's special about this upper though is the distinctive color blocking. It splits into half and half with the forefoot to the toe portion occupied with the Chicago Bulls red, with a UNC blue shading hindfoot to the heel. These are two popular colorways of the Air Jordan 1, and you might think it's part of the What The series, but the color blocking is actually significant to its designers, the Lay twins. They created this so that the color split can represent and show their individuality and uniqueness between the two, but still unify together as one seen by this single shoe. Another special feature seen on this collab is that the insole is decorated with a fearless text graphic on top of a repeating MJ quote background that reads, "Limits, like fear, are often just an illusion," almost like a final nod to his legacy. The insoles are glued down to the footbed like always, but they are removable if you decide to rip them out. The shoe also comes with a hand tag that is shaped in the silhouette of the Wings logo, with the fear branding on one side while MJ's quote again is on the back. Other than that, the regular features of the Jordan 1 High are carried over to this pair as well, featuring a nylon foam tongue with the Nike Air patch stitched at the top, while flat black laces are the default choice. And if you don't like it, the shoe also comes with 3 extra sets of laces. That's correct, 3 optional ones that you can swap out with in either light blue, red, or white. The value is just insane. As for the wall lining, it sticks true to the original textile, where it's open mesh with a rougher texture. The collar is padded well regardless as the Jordan 1 should be, adding comfort and cushioning around our ankles and Achilles. As for the midsole, they've used the same iconic rubber cupsole design which is known for its toughness and durability. The midsole is in white, hidden inside with an air unit for cushioning. And if we flip over the sneakers, we will see the outsole drenched in red with the identical traction pattern popularly seen on the silhouette. Anyways, here are some Air Jordan 1 High Fearless by Lay twins fit footage. Sizing wise, I went for my true to size. Air Jordan 1s fit nicely for me at that size, but I have heard people going half size down for a snugger fit. In terms of comfort, if you don't have any previous ones by now, the only impact absorption on this shoe is coming from the foam insole. They've kept the sneaker light by using air cushioning, and this technology has been around for some time now, but newer ones are available and some of us might be spoiled on these new ones. So if you're new to Jordans, don't expect these to be bouncy or cushiony as it has a traditional solid sole on feet. Also, since it's made out of leather, heat dissipation will be slower than say knit uppers, so people may get sweaty feet more easily during long wears, but in cooler weather, your feet will be protected. Shockingly, price-wise, these retailed for $210 Canadian before tax, $5 less than the usual retail price of other Jordan 1 highs. I'm quite surprised honestly, as this colorway gave us 3 more lace freebies on the side. You would think it would be more expensive when something like this happens, but not only did it not cost the same, they're also $5 less than regular. As always, throw me some likes if you like this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and let me know down below in the comments how you feel about this new Jordan 1 colorway. Patent Jordan 1s are always a nice touch in my opinion, but once it steps on the floor and creases, the appeal quickly changes. Maybe by having a white toe box here, the crinkles won't be as noticeable. It's still a nice pair regardless, and in my opinion, a lot better than some of the other colorways dropped earlier during summer of 2019. These will sell out, but the amount of places that carry these seemed high even in Toronto, so for those who missed out, resale shouldn't be too crazy in my opinion. That's it for today. S2W signing off.